Hello, today we will guide you through how to add volume in Exness. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add the volume indicator inside the Exness terminal so you can view trading activity directly on your chart. This can be useful when you want a clearer picture of market movement and want to support your analysis with an additional visual tool. To begin, open your Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading accounts and access the platform features connected to them. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area before moving on. Next, look for the trade option and click on it. This section is where you can access the tools related to placing trades and opening the trading interface. If you have multiple options visible, simply select the one labeled Trade to continue. After that, click on Exness Terminal. This will open the web-based trading platform where you can work directly with charts, indicators, and market instruments without needing to install separate software. Give the terminal a moment to fully load so all chart tools appear properly on your screen. Once you are inside the terminal, move to the upper part of the screen and click on the FX button for indicators. This area contains the technical indicators you can add to your chart. Indicators help traders interpret market behavior, and the volume indicator is one of the most commonly used for confirming momentum or activity in the market. When the indicators panel opens, click on the search bar and type in volume. As the results appear, find the volume indicator and click it to add it to your chart. Be sure to select the matching option from the list so it is applied correctly. In many cases, the indicator will appear immediately after you click it. Finally, check the graph to confirm that volume has been added. You should now see the volume display attached to the chart, usually in a separate section beneath the main price graph. This helps you monitor how active the market is during different price movements. If you do not see it right away, give the chart a quick look over and make sure the indicator was selected successfully. And that's it. You have now added volume in Exness. If needed, you can revisit the indicators section at any time to adjust your chart setup and keep your workspace organized in a way that supports your trading analysis.